Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to the new episode of our podcast. Today, we are going to talk about brand expression and brand recognition and what could you achieve in this field through email marketing. Today, we have Konstantin with us. He is, making his part in our podcast for good. Yeah. So, Konstantin, our product manager, say
Yeah.
hi.
Hi, everyone. It's good to be here, and it's very big pleasure to see you again, guys. So, what's we talking about today?
Yeah. We are talking about brand recognition in email marketing. And Ella, say hi as well. I guess you have some cool statistics and digits for us today, right?
Hi everyone, cool to be talking to you again. Yeah, I always have some statistics in my pocket. So I would like to start with the number 77. And in this case, it's about 77% of consumers who make purchase decisions based on brand name. So which means that awareness often overweighs features or price. If you are good at improving your brand awareness, the chances are that consumers will choose you, even if the price of your product is higher than your competitors. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. And I'd like to start with talking about what does brand recognition mean when we are talking about the very first layer of brand recognition in email marketing. So the first and one of the most important parts, if we are talking about the modern world, which is built on visuals, are actually visuals. So your visual styling, your brand styling, the structure of your messages, the colors you use, even some typography stuff, it really matters. If I say Coca-Cola, I guess all of you will remember this red color, yeah, and this specific curvy font. And that's what we have to achieve ideally in our emails. If you're talking about some luxury goods, yeah, you have to choose specific colors, yeah, like golden, brown, or black, yeah, colors that kind of projects opulence and stability. Yeah. If you're talking about some stuff for children, yeah, some children toys, you will have completely different set of colors, and it's only natural.
But I was wondering if it works vice versa, actually. So, of course, if you hear Coke or Coca-Cola, you immediately imagine this logo with the red and black or white. But if I name the color, what would be the first brand that pops up in your mind? Like if I name red, would it be Coke?
Mm, that's a funny question because it has two layers of the answer. Like the first thing I am going to remember when I hear red, yeah, I will remember Santa Claus.
Yeah.
This is not a brand.
I,
Come
I
on.
wanted, I wanted to add, but no,
Yeah.
you're not right. It's what I am talking, what I should talk about, because Santa Claus is the oldest brand which connected with Coca-Cola, something like this.
Yes.
So it's the oldest brand. Yeah, it's a red. It's your red color. It's your color which you remember.
Yeah. So like if you say red, I will remember Santa Claus, and I will remember Santa Claus because of Coca-Cola, actually. Yeah.
That's what you call an excellent, perfect example of
Perfect. Yeah.
marketing.
It's
So
perfect.
they just combined the two emotional responses actually, because Christmas and Santa Claus have very strong emotional implications. It reminds you of happiness, holiday, celebration, and so on.
I will jump to another point. And this another point is tone of voice. How you talk to your audience. What is your wording? Which speech structure do you choose? Are you talking to your audience in a relaxed manner? Or are you talking in a pretty strict and polite manner? It's really important because think of your messages as of a real person who speaks for you to your audience. Yeah, who is this person? How do they talk? Yeah, it's pretty important. Like for example, you are selling some goods for I don't know active vacations. Yeah, you're saying some sports goods or something like that, and then you're choosing some relaxed, but in terms of wording, but energetic in terms of structure, style. Yeah,
Depends on how you define active. For some people, going between the swimming pool and the restaurant is active enough.
And I guess I'm one of those people. Yeah. But choose your tone of voice, choose your wording carefully. Yeah. And I actually have a small practical life hack for you. How we could use AI to help us edit and polish our messages in terms of the tone of voice. Yeah. What you can do is you could actually write your message in your own words as you do regularly. Yeah. Then find some bloggers, find some Reddit groups, find some Facebook groups, find any examples of text which correlates to your target audience, and you won't mistake it for anything, I guess. And then train your AI to use this tone of voice. Just send those texts into ChatGPT, for example, but it could be any AI assistant, and tell it that it should find some special wording, some specific style elements, which are responsible for creating that tone of voice of all of that messaging. Yeah, and then after your AI assistant tells you that, okay, I'm finished and I'm ready to use this tone of voice, send your initial message to this AI assistant and tell it to rewrite this message in the tone of voice you want to see. Of course, in the end, you won't have the final edit. Yeah, like you will have to proofread this text. You will have to check if the content is still intact, if the messaging, if the sense, if the topic is still intact. But the tone of voice will be the one that you are looking for. So please use something like that. It kind of could help you to spare a lot of time.
I love these AI hacks. It's like use AI and then pretend it was not made by AI. So it's like humanized AI. That's really funny.
And
Cool.
yeah, and the final point I'm going to talk about right now is you have to mention or you have to show that you know about some issues or some concerns or some ethical values of your target audience. And you don't have to project it in your every sentence, but you have to remember about some words that maybe aren't correct to use in messaging with some group of people who's your target audience. It could be some specific terminology, which is pretty specific for some professional groups. Yeah. It could be even the wording you choose to call ecological waste. Yeah. Like it could be a pretty cute smoke over high chimney, or it could be an ecological catastrophe. And how you call this exactly same thing really affects your tone of voice, your messaging, and how people see your brand. And that's it from my side today. Ella?
Yes, I totally agree with the last point. I think this is critical point, and it's kind of moving us to what I was gonna say about the values, the message that we convey to our listeners. So value aligned content is super important. If you use the perfect vocabulary and if you use amazing colors and so on, but if your values, I mean the values of your company, are not aligned with the values of your audience, you cannot sell them anything. So you have to change either the policy, the values, or this is just not your audience and you have to find your real audience. But the challenge here is that first you have to catch their attention and you've got half a second to catch their attention so that they stop for a sec, stop scrolling and pay attention to your brand, your logo, your post, whatever. Then the second step and the second challenge is to make them stay there for a while. And here we come to the content itself. So you have to deliver something valuable and something that they are interested in. So it can be storytelling if we are talking about the values of the company, and if you want to improve your brand awareness by showing who you are and what you are doing. So you can tell them the team stories or behind the scenes moments, or give some explanations on what kind of things we do and how we do them. But the quality of this storytelling is as high as never before, because no one will get into these long reads. So it should be very catchy. If we talk specifically about emails and email marketing, I can tell you that newsletters are still alive. You know that email marketing is not only about selling. It's not only about promotional emails or emails in which you are telling your customers, buy, please buy our product is the best, please buy. No, this doesn't work anymore. So sometimes you just need to remind your audience who you are, what you do, what your values are. And in this case, newsletters are just perfect. Be genuine and authentic in what you are talking and what message you're conveying.
Thanks, Ella. So this is it from your side, if I understand correctly, right?
Yeah, would be great to listen to Kostya now.
Yeah, you guys right, as that we now in the time when we should start to think about what we write in our emails. So email now doesn't exist in isolation. So it increases awareness by connecting communication channels. So email email always should highlight your social media presence, communities, your business pages, groups, or something like this, website content, or your events, which we have now online or maybe on site. You maybe ask why with mailers. So awareness increases only through cross-channel repetition. Email reminds people where your brand lives, and each channel reinforces the same identity. To improve brand awareness through email marketing in 2026, which I have, we should help you with our email marketing service. The brand needs to stop asking, how do we get more clicks? How do we get more opens or something like this? And start asking and start thinking about how do we become more recognizable, more familiar, more meaningful over time. Because brand awareness now is not a build in one campaign. It's a build in how you talk, or what you say, and how consistently you show up. So that's it, guys.
Thank you, Kostya. Thank you. Let's wrap it up for today. It's kind of quite a vast topic, and actually we could talk about this for hours, but those were the main things you have to learn to start making a brand to stand out. Thank you for listening to us today, and I've got a question for all of you. Did you find your brand voice? Did you find your brand style? And if you did, tell us how exactly did you do it? Which issues you faced searching for it, and what helped you to find your own voice. Hoping to see you again pretty soon. And we have a huge event in a month, which we will tell you about a bit later in a Publix. So stay tuned, and hopefully see you soon again.
See you next time, hopefully sooner than later.
See you guys.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.